Hey y'all, I'm Wesley. Welcome to Wesley Makes Things. Look, I could not be more blind going into whatever we are about to watch here. I received a recommendation from one of y'all in the comments on a previous video suggesting that I react to the song Nalgona by MJ Nebreda and Rixia. I believe that's how their names are pronounced. As I said to that commenter, I don't speak Spanish. I am not a bilingual girly. However, I am from Texas, and I know just enough Spanish to get by. So I've got but one expectation for this song based off of the title. I am hoping that I am about to get a booty anthem. I know I may not look it. I love a celebration of the booty through song. So I am really, really hoping that that's what I'm about to get. I'm not going to worry about the lyrics. Again, like I said, don't speak Spanish. So I'm going to go off of the vibe, the musicality, what's coming through in this video, in this song. Truly, I'm very excited. This is Nalgona. Let's go. Okay.
Dale mami, dale mami, dale, dale mami, dale, dale mami, dale mami, dale mami, dale mami, dale.
This video is not subtle. I spoke Spanish. I have no idea what she's saying. But I can guess from the video. Goodness! Why not, man? So much booty happening. Holy cow. I have none of these moves. Okay, hold on. Okay, so yeah, lots of booty. I don't think that I need to speak Spanish to have the gist of what's going on here. It's not going to surprise anybody. Not my usual cup of tea. Not something I'm probably going to turn on just to sit and chill with on my own. But like, it's pretty fun. I'm not going to lie. It's pretty fun. Like I said, I do wish I spoke Spanish. I would love to know, a little bit more as far as depth about what's going on here. But I won't lie. I think I get the picture. And you know what? You ladies do you. Why not? Let's just enjoy this together, shall we? What did y'all bring to my channel? Wow. There's so much body confidence happening. She's got good flow, though. So much booty happening. Is this Rixia? Yeah, you know what? Tell me whatever you know about these folks in the comments. I'm curious. I'm a little jealous, honestly. what the other folks on the street thought when they were out filming this video. You know what? Wow is all I've got. Wow. I kind of dig it, y'all. I won't lie. Like I said, not something I'm just going to put on to like chill and hang out with. But if you send it to me as a recommendation to react to, yeah, I'll probably react to some pretty out there stuff. I I don't even know what else to say about this one. I'm hypnotized by the booty. I've got booty on the brain now. Let me know down below what other things you think I should be checking out. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all the stuff down in the place. And as always,
Jesus and I love you, Joe.
Jesus and I love you too, Lise.
Jesus and I love you. Later, y'all.